The first B-2 was publicly displayed on November 22, 1988, when it was rolled out of its hangar at Air Force Plant 42, Palmdale, California. Its first flight was July 17, 1989. The B-2 Combined Test Force, Air Force Flight Test Center, Edwards Air Force Base, California, is responsible for flight testing the engineering, manufacturing, and development aircraft on the B-2. Whiteman AFB, Missouri, is the only operational base for the B-2. The first aircraft, Spirit of Missouri, was delivered December 17, 1993. Depot maintenance responsibility for the B-2 is performed by Air Force Contractor Support and is managed at the Oklahoma City Air Logistics Center at Tinker AFB, Oklahoma. The combat effectiveness of the B-2 was proved in Operation Allied Force, where it was responsible for destroying 33% of all Serbian targets in the first 8 weeks by flying non-stop to Kosovo from its home base in Missouri and back. In support of Operation Enduring Freedom, the B-2 flew one of its longest missions to date from Whiteman to Afghanistan and back. The B-2 completed its first-ever combat deployment in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom, flying 22 sorties from a forward operating location, as well as 27 sorties from Whiteman AFB, and releasing more than 1.5 million pounds of munitions. The aircraft received full operational capability status in December 2003. On February 1, 2009, the Air Force's newest command, Air Force Global Strike Command, assumed responsibility for the B-2 from Air Combat Command. The prime contractor, responsible for overall system design and integration, is Northrop Grumman Integrated Systems Sector. Boeing Military Airplanes Co., Hughes Radar Systems Group, General Electric Aircraft Engine Group, and Vought Aircraft Industries, Inc., are key members of the aircraft contractor team. Mission: the B-2 Spirit is a multi-role bomber capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear munitions. A dramatic leap forward in technology, the bomber represents a major milestone in the U.S. bomber modernization program. The B-2 brings massive firepower to bear, in a short time, anywhere on the globe through previously impenetrable defenses, features. The B-2 provides the penetrating flexibility and effectiveness inherent in manned bombers. Its low observable, or stealth, characteristics give it the unique ability to penetrate an enemy's most sophisticated defenses and threaten its most valued and heavily defended targets. Its capability to penetrate air defenses and threaten effective retaliation provides a strong, effective deterrent and combat force well into the 21st century. The revolutionary blending of low observable technologies with high aerodynamic efficiency and large payload gives the B-2 important advantages over existing bombers. Its low observability provides it greater freedom of action at high altitudes, thus increasing its range and a better field of view for the aircraft's sensors. Its unrefueled range is approximately 6,000 nautical miles, 9,600 kilometers. The B-2's low observability is derived from a combination of reduced infrared, acoustic, electromagnetic, visual, and radar signatures. These signatures make it difficult for the sophisticated defensive systems to detect, track, and engage the B-2. Many aspects of the low observability process remain classified. However, the B-2's composite materials, special coatings, and flying wing design all contribute to its stealthiness. The B-2 has a crew of 2 pilots, a pilot in the left seat and mission commander in the right, compared to the B-1B's crew of 4 and the B-52's crew of 5. Uniqueness and advantages of the B-2 Spirit bomber. The B-2 Spirit strategic bomber is one of the most advanced and iconic aircraft in the world. It was developed during the Cold War to penetrate the densest enemy air defenses. Here are its key unique features and advantages. 1. Unrivaled stealth technology. This is the most prominent feature of the B-2. Its unique design, which includes a tailless flying wing shape and the use of radar-absorbent material RAM, make it nearly invisible to enemy radar. The aircraft is designed to minimize its radar, infrared, visual, and acoustic signatures. This capability allows the B-2 to fly into highly defended airspace undetected, providing a crucial element of surprise in combat missions. 2. Global reach. The B-2 Spirit has an extremely long flight range without needing to refuel. With its ability to refuel in mid-air, the aircraft can perform intercontinental missions and strike targets anywhere in the world. This global reach capability makes it an invaluable strategic asset for the U.S. Air Force. 3. Large and diverse payload capacity. Despite its sleek appearance, the B-2 can carry a very large weapons payload of up to 40,000 pounds, about 18,000 kilograms. Its payload is not only large, but also diverse, including conventional bombs, precision-guided munitions, and nuclear weapons. This flexibility allows the B-2 to execute a wide range of missions, from precise strikes against specific targets to more widespread carpet bombing.